The armed forces of Russian Federation and Ukraine reported the progress front line in the last 24 hours. There were armed clashes in some places June 6. Close to Artyomovsk, 4 offensive attempts by the AFU 5th Mountain Assault Brigade towards Kleshcheyevka and the 77th Airmobile Brigade near Berkhovka, Donetsk People's Republic, have been successfully repelled by the active actions of the Yug Group of Forces. The enemy was not allowed to bypass and cut into our defenses, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. The enemy losses were over 260 Ukrainian servicemen, 5 tanks, 4 armored fighting vehicles, 4 pickup trucks, 2 Grad MLRS systems, 3 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery systems, 1 French-manufactured Cezar self-propelled artillery system, 1 US-manufactured M777 artillery system, and D-30 and Msta-B howitzers. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 433 fighter jets, 236 helicopters, 4,486 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems and 9,431 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,114 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,009 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,688 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 6 said Russia lost 800 servicemen in a single day, including 12 tanks, 20 armored combat vehicles as well as 36 artillery units and 23 drones. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanked to all strategic partners who help Ukraine. Zelensky, said Ukraine to receive significant number of F-16s. President Volodymyr Zelensky said during a press conference that Ukraine will receive a significant number of F-16 fighter jets, based on discussions with European partners. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 468 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!